boys. Alright, what I got here today is a display case used for all these wonderful soda drinks. And I was here about a month ago and did not finish the PM on this unit because it was full of pests. And by pests, yes, I do mean them little brown creepy crawling things they called roaches. They were everywhere. As soon as you tapped the unit, they scattered all over the place. So I had them go and get an exterminator. Now I'm back. I'm here changing a gasket and I realized that this unit is frozen solid. I just blew out the condenser coil and now I'm gonna start my melting ice and removing the water and get her back up and running. I don't believe it has a leak. I believe the condenser coil was just all plugged up and the drain was all plugged up. First forcing it to, yeah, see the drain is right there and she's pretty clogged up pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and melt it and get this out of here. So not only is it frozen solid, but it is all nasty and dirty in the inside. I'm gonna see if I can get these screws off and possibly pull that panel off so I can clean it out better. But as of right now, it's not going too well. These screws on the top are like rusted in, so I gotta see if I can get my drill on them and maybe bang them out with the zip gun. So there we go, boys. We'll just melt all this and skedaddle. Should be all good from here on out. I'm gonna check it after I melt this and put it back together. But there it is. There's the whole unit right here at the counter. And yeah, should melt this. It was because of the drain. You can see the drain right there. You can see all that muck. All that muck was inside the drain. Clogged her up, and along with a clogged condenser coil, double trouble, and then froze this fucker right up. So let's get back to work and get this going. So you can see that I just shop vacuumed everything out, nice and clean, even on the inside here. I'm even taking out all that goopy stuff. You don't want to leave anything behind to get back in that drain again and plug it up. So we're just gonna scoop all this nastiness out and shop vac it up. Yuck. Okay, let's finish up.